Hello, dear friends. I'm Dudu. How are you? How's your day going during the Corona time? I deeply understand that everybody had a difficult time in the special event. But please don't forget the delicious foods, the yummy Lecker foods always treat our body and soul. So today, I and my colleague Ellie and Dino.
Hey, I'm Dino. No sword. You? I'm Ali. No vent.
Would like to share a Lecker dish, scrambled egg and tomato. It's easy cooking, beautiful, and absolute taste. And we will make a new heart for you. Dino, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm always hungry.
So first, let me go to find the right food materials and be ready for the cooking. Let's go.
You stay home. Let's go. It's raining now.
Yeah, it's raining now. Oh, today the weather is really bad. But we're still going to shopping, and because I live in Germany, so
Berlin.
oh yeah, you live in Berlin. So we're going to Netto, which is close to my home, and the stuff is pretty cheap.
Yeah.
Let's go, okay?
Okay.
Let's find the tomato. The best tomato for this dish must be juiced. I pick this one. We still need onion and garlic. The egg quality in Germany is really big and good.
Well, okay. That's all the food materials we bought.
I'm hungry now.
What?
I'm hungry now. Please back home soon.
Okay. What? Okay, so I will wash the food materials now. Wash it or not is up to you. But if you wash it, make sure, please wash it clearly. What the fuck? Wow, you are so annoying.
Okay, shut up, man.
Hey, finally, it's eating time now. I'm super hungry. Oh my god. You can eat it with rice or noodle, but I'm for traditional old school guy. I definitely will eat it with rice. Oh, I'm sorry. It's really tasty. The main flavor of it is kind of sweet, but very rich. In my mind, it's kind of a normal dish, very delicious, but it's homemade. But I don't know why. I live in Germany for such years. I have not found it in any dish restaurant here. But however, I wish you have learned how to cook it today, and you can try it. You can make it. If you have any question, please leave a message here or in our Facebook or Instagram page. If you are also living in Berlin, come on, let me know. I think we could try to discovering some Lecker food or Lecker time together. We are LeckerMann. Have a nice day and see you next time.